Hi guys, welcome to the Divine Chariot Tarot, and in today's video we are going to look at the blessings that are coming towards you. So you have three piles to choose from, either based on the cards or on the basis of the keys, whichever ones that you're drawn to. This is pile 1, this is pile 2, this is pile 3. All three cards are the Wheel of Fortune cards from the different tarot decks. So this is pile 1. And this is the key from pile 1. This is pile 2. Pile 3. So pick any one of the three piles based on your intuition, which one you are drawn to the most, and then go to the description box or the pinned comments to find the time stamp for your pile and start listening to your reading. So let's get started. So pile 1, those of you who chose this card and this key, this is your reading about the blessings coming towards you. This is not meant to be in your reading right now. This was just to help you choose the pile, and I'll put these cards back in the deck. So let's begin. The blessings coming towards pile 1, please. Blessings coming towards pile 1, please. Okay. We have Page of Swords. Blessings coming towards pile 1, please. Okay, so we have Seven of Swords. Blessings coming towards pile 1, please. Okay, we have Knight of Coins. No. Blessings coming towards pile 1, please. We have King of Swords. So a lot of clarity is coming towards you. Some truth, something hidden is going to come to light. Blessings coming towards pile 1, please. Okay, I wanted one, but okay. King of Wands and Nine of Coins. I wanted just one card, but two cards came out. Okay, so firstly, from these last two cards, I'll say straight away that your hard work is going to pay off in terms of money. If you have been working really hard in your job, in your business, whatever it is, you are about to reap the benefits of your hard work. And the bottom deck energy is Five of Wands. So you might have people in your life that you will kind of get into an argument with, but the thing is that through all this argument and through all this ego clashing that might happen, you will still be able to come out with clarity, because King of Swords here shows me that your intelligence is going to be on point. And as I said, you are going to reap the rewards, the monetary rewards for the efforts that you have been putting in your work and your business. So that's like one blessing that's coming to you for sure. Also, something has been hidden from you, and now that is going to come to light as well. Something, it's not exactly shown here what it might have been, but this thing, whatever has been hidden from you, has been hidden for quite some time, and it's finally going to come to light. You'll finally get the truth about something. Okay, because the overall energy is of Five of Wands, there is some kind of conflict that might happen, but you will be able to find your way out of it, because there is both intelligence and action in this pile. You are intelligent enough to find your way out of it, and you are also active enough to get out of it. It's as simple as that. But yeah, there is something hidden that's going to come to light for you, so that's another blessing. Okay, let's see, let's clarify what are the blessings coming towards. Okay, so the Moon card has come out again. This talks about secrets. Okay, so something is going to come to light. You have been confused about something in your life, okay, and you are going to receive clarity on that. And you have been confused for quite some time. What are the blessings coming towards pile 1, please? Blessings coming towards pile 1, please. Okay. Again, the King of Wands has shown up again, guys, twice. Wow. So you are going to be very, very action oriented and very confident. If you have been feeling confusion because something is going to come to light, you will find out some truth. You will get confidence from that. Okay. 10 of Swords. Another blessing that's coming towards you is that you must know that whatever difficulties you have been going through, the difficulties that might have given you mental health issues, depression, you have seen the worst part of it. The worst is over. Okay, so that's one blessing that you need to know about. Things are only going to get better from here. Blessings coming towards you. Okay. Page of Cups. So you might have an idea, you might be wanting to do something. There might have been something in your mind that you were hesitate to take action towards. But with the King of Wands here twice, you are going to take action towards it. And whatever you have been working on is also going to give you financial benefits. So it's going to be basically two kinds of blessings. The work that you have been putting on is going to give you rewards, and you are also going to be motivated to try new things. Okay, the bottom deck energy here is the Fool, which means that you are going to be very, very open to taking all the risks, and that's probably because you will feel confident when this truth is going to come to light. Whatever it is that you have been confused about, it's going to clear out, and whatever truth is going to come to light is going to impact you positively. So there is mental clarity in the form of blessings, there is motivation that's coming towards you, and also financial reward for the hard work that you have put in so far in your life. So let's take some more cards, get some more cards about any other blessings, or maybe a clarity or even more detail on these blessings that we have seen so far. Blessings coming towards pile 1. Strength. See, so we have King of Wands, and we have Strength here. So you are going to feel very strong. You are going to feel very, very confident. Very, very confident. Your confidence is coming back. If you had lost it, it's going to come back. Blessings coming towards pile 1. But yes, you have to know that there will be people that you might get into conflict with over certain issues. These conflicts can be about the decisions that you're making, or people might not be happy that you are gaining this power, so they might try to come at you, bring you down. That might happen. It might even be the people that are close to you, your friends, your relatives. It might be that they will give you advices that you won't like, but you will still have to take your own stand, and you will. So King of Cups here is about your emotional health. Your emotional health is going to stabilize. If you have been feeling emotionally unstable, it's going to stabilize. Should I take this card? Okay, fine, I will. Yes, so we have two cards here. There is 5 of Pentacles and there is King of Pentacles. What did I tell you? That you were going to receive financial rewards for the hard work that you have been putting in. If you have been feeling financially, what's the word for it? Financially lacking, that's going to change big time. You are going to feel very stable. That's coming. There are all 4 kings in this pile. There is King of Cups, King of Pentacles, King of Swords, King of Wands. So basically you are coming into your full power. Whatever confusion, whatever hard time you have gone through, that the worst is over. You have learned a lot from it. And as I said, some truth is going to come out. Maybe it's going to be in the form of some sort of realization that you will get. It's a possibility that you were scared of things before that were not that scary, but your mental health really made you believe that, things are much worse than they actually were. Now that realization is something that's going to come to you along with the tangible material rewards. So all that will have a very positive mental, very very positive effect on your mental health. So we have 10 of swords as the bottom deck energy from this deck. So this means that whatever difficulties that you have gone through in the past, you will still have some impact on your mental health. You'll still be in a process where you'll be like, still think about those times and still hurt. But it will only get better from here. Your financial situation is improving, your mental health is improving, your emotional health is improving. Okay, so that is something that you should be very happy about, and you are getting motivated to try out new things, and you're going to be motivated to take risks. Okay, uh, let's get a final message on the blessings that are coming towards you. Blessings coming towards pile 1, please. I would like 2 cards from this deck, please. Okay, so we got 2 cards, attachment and 7th chakra, Archangel Uriel. So, whatever ideas, negative emotions that you were attached to in the past, you will get this insight, this intuition that you need to let go of those ideas. Okay, you are going to come into this realization that you need to let go of the unhealthy attachments, and that is what's going to come to light. Whatever it was that you were attached to I'm sorry, whatever it was that you were attached to, maybe it was a situation, a person, you will realize that it's toxic. That's the clarity, and that's the intuitive download you will get, and that's going to help you move on from that attachment. So that's a very big blessing that's going to come towards you, and that's going to affect your other areas as well. So yeah, these are the blessings that are coming towards you, group 1. And as I said, there was 11:11 on the camera timing. I guess that's what it's called, the time on the camera. Yeah, so that's it. That's your blessings that are coming towards you very soon, pile 1. Thank you for watching, and now I'll move on to pile 2. So those of you who chose pile 2, this card and this key, this is your reading about the blessings that are coming towards you. Let's begin. So I'm going to put this card back in the deck because this was just to help you choose. Okay, I'm putting all the other cards back in the deck as well, in their respective decks. So let's talk about the blessings that are coming towards pile 2. Let's begin. Blessings coming towards pile 2, please. Blessings coming towards the wonderful pile 2, please. Okay, so we have the first card here, 5 of Wands. Blessings coming towards pile 2, please. 4 of Cups. Okay, so should I... Okay, fine, I'll take these cards. 9 of Cups, Knight of Cups, 2 of Cups, Queen of Wands. So the blessing that is coming towards you, and the bottom deck energy is Knight of Wands. You got 1 card extra, okay, but never mind. Anyway, so we are here going to talk about the blessings that are coming towards you, and I will be very honest, this seems like very much a blessing coming towards you in your love life. If something was going wrong in your love life with the person of your interest, with your boyfriend, girlfriend, partner, wife, husband, anyone, your person basically, though things are going to improve. Harmony is going to be restored. Right now, if you are in this mode of fighting with each other, that's going to improve, and you're going to come back together. The separation or the cold war or disagreement, whatever is going on, is going to end. Okay, now Queen of Wands, here is the feminine energy that's going to who's going to make this happen. Now this can be your energy, this can be your person's energy, gender doesn't really matter here. Queen of Wands is an energy that represents really taking charge of the situation and deciding that I'm going to make this right. Now this can be you, this can be your person. Now, if you are in that mindset where you are wondering that you really want to make things right, you really want to talk to your person, and if you are in that mindset of making this happen, then this is you. And if you talk to your person, it's going to succeed. You will get what you want, okay? Things will get better. And if you are not the one in this mindset, then your person is the one in this mindset, and then your person is going to come towards you. It depends on the energy, okay? And if they come towards you, they'll be successful. Basically, the point here is that the harmony is going to be restored and the playful, flirty energy is going to come back. So your blessings so far are very much related to your love life. So okay, let's talk about the blessings that you are going to receive in some more detail, if it's going to be elaborated in your love life or if it's going to be new blessings. Let's see. Blessings coming towards pile 2, please. Blessings coming towards pile 2, please. Blessings coming towards Page of Swords. Blessings coming towards pile 2. There. Okay, so we have the Empress. This didn't fall out. I'm not taking this. Blessings coming towards pile 2. Okay, so we have Page of Swords, Knight of Pentacles. Okay, so this is a completely different blessings that we are going to talk about. I don't think it's related to the love blessing. That was your love message. This is something else. Let's see. Blessings coming towards pile 2, please. Four of Cups and King of Cups. Okay, well, no, I was wrong. I spoke too soon. It happens, it's okay. King of Pentacles is the overall energy here. So, King of Pentacles is a representative of stability. So, yeah, again, Four of Cups here is has come out twice, first here and now here. So, basically, both of you have made mistakes, if I'm being honest. Okay, the masculine and the feminine both have made mistakes here, and both have basically, yeah, that's the only way I can put it, that both people have made mistakes or whatever it is, ignored each other, maybe even played mind games, something of that sort. But now both people want to get back together and both people want to make it work. Okay, so that's why I said before that whoever is going to approach the other person is going to be successful, because both people want the same thing here. So one of you is definitely more action oriented, the other one is definitely more of an emotional nature, and both of you want stability and playfulness in your relationship, and it's going to come to you, whether it's a relationship or even if it's like a situationship. What it is a love reading. I do not really see friendship here, if I'm being very honest. It's very much for me a love reading, where two people just really want to resolve things and they will resolve it. Okay, because you both are lonely without each other, and you both really like each other, you have feelings for each other. Whatever misunderstanding that might have happened, this time period of not talking to each other is making you realize that you actually really want to be together. Whichever one of you is going to take the initiative is going to be successful, as I said. Let's see. Anything else? Blessings coming towards pile 2, please. Justice. Wow, no other card. Okay. Okay, Ace of Wands. Yep, yep, yeah. So now what will happen is that in your connection, there will be a new beginning, and this time both of you will treat with caution. Both of you will be a little bit careful, a little more careful than before, because you have learned from your mistakes, and both of you will try to treat each other with fairness. I feel both of you have made mistakes, as I said before, so both of you will treat each, you both have been unfair with each other, and now in this new opportunity that you will get, this time you will be more careful, and this time there will be definitely more love and more emotional maturity in your situation. We have Queen of Cups here as the overall energy. So let me tell you, we have two kings here and two queens here. This is like, you are guys are, this is a relationship where you guys are meant to be together, and you really know that. You have this harmony, you have different personalities, but you both do really want this connection, and you both are actually equal, each other's equal. And this separation has made you realize that you both value each other. So maturity, emotional maturity, stability, playfulness, all of that is going to come into your relationship. The conflict is going to get resolved. I want just two more cards to clarify the blessings that are going to come towards pile 2, please. Okay, so I wanted, no, not please, no. Two cards, please, only two. Okay, so the first card here is third chakra, Archangel Chamuel. I guess that's how you say it. Okay, but I'm sorry if my pronunciation is incorrect. Okay, so we have, so Archangel Chamuel actually talks about getting the force of desire. So this sense of desire, this sense of wanting to go for what you want is going to come in your relationship. You will both be very, very interested in making your relationship flourish. You both will have the desire to make it bloom after all this separation. It has actually, you know, this, your relationship is one, you have gone through one of those fights that has actually improved the relationship, that will actually improve your connection or your relationship with the person that you are with. Whether you're talking or you are in a full blown relationship, it doesn't matter. This is a pile for those people who have a connection of some sort. If you're single as a Pringle, this is not your pile, not your pile, because this is somebody who is already in a proper situation with context, background, history. Okay, I just wanted one card, but two cards came out. It's fine. Yes, rest and rejuvenation. As I said, you guys are not speaking to each other, so this period of not speaking to each other has actually, it's going to, you both are going to follow your intuition from now on. In terms of your relationship, you will not only listen to the negativity in your heart, you will actually follow your intuition from now on in this relationship, and it's going to bring harmony in your relationship. So that's the blessing for you. It was very much love related. So pile 2, I hope you liked your reading, and I'll move on to pile 3 now. So pile 3, if you chose this card and this key, then this is your reading about the blessings coming towards you. I am going to put this card back in the deck because this was not a part of your reading. This was just to help you choose your deck or your card or your pile. Okay, so let's talk about the blessings that are coming towards pile 3. Okay, let's begin. Blessings coming towards pile 3, please. The first card here is 7 of Wands. Five of Swords. Knight of Coins or Knight of Pentacles. Okay, blessings coming towards pile 3, please. we have the Lovers and the Fool. Okay, so right off the bat, the blessings that are the first blessing that's coming towards you is that you are finally deciding that you are going. The overall energy is Nine of Wands. Okay, so you are finally deciding that you are going to deal with your mental health issues, that you will not let your mental health issues hold you back. Whatever fears, whatever inner conflict you have been going through, you are going to decide that you are going to face your fears head on, and actually you are on the last leg of your struggle with your mental health. Okay, it's been a really slow process for you. It's been going on for a while. It could have been going on for months or even years, but now finally you are going to make this decision that enough is enough, that you want to lead a life of freedom and happiness, and you are going to make that choice, and you are preparing to take that leap of faith and get back into that innocent happy energy again, because you are done with feeling conflicted and sorrowful, and it's just around the corner. Okay, you have covered a long distance. It's just the last stretch that's left. Okay, and you're very close to that. You're very close to transforming your energy from that of anxiety, mental conflict, to that of emotional freedom, wanting to try new things. That energy that you lost is going to come back to you, and you will be the one bringing it back. Let's see. What are the blessings coming towards pile 3? Let's elaborate more on this if it's going to. Okay. Six of Swords and Queen of Swords. Okay, so this again, yeah, this is talking about your mental health improving, because you will finally get this mental clarity that whatever you're going through is not something that can hold you back always. That you are strong. You will also learn to become very, very, very open and very direct in your boundaries. You will learn to understand that people who don't serve you, people who give you anxiety, need to get out of your life, and you are going to cut people off. People who are causing mental health issues to you are going to be cut off from your life, and that's a decision that you will make, because you will be done with their attitude, their behavior. These are the people who can be your friends, family members even, or even someone that you are romantically interested in. Whatever situation or person has been giving you mental health issues is going to be cut off from your life, and you will tell them to get out. Let's see. Blessings coming towards pile 3. The High Priestess, your intuition is going to improve a lot. When you get out of this phase of feeling absolutely helpless, you will come into a time of clarity, and that is going to improve your intuition. You might already have intuition, you might already feel that you are able to sense things, but you might not take it seriously, but you do have intuition. And once you get out of this period of mental health issues, once you get out of this period of feeling conflicted mentally, you will start to realize that your intuition is very strong. And we have 10 of Swords, which means that you are very, very close. We have 9 of Wands here, and this is 10 of Swords. You're very, very close to getting over with this, whatever this mental health issue is that you're facing. And you're very, very close to being this free-spirited person that you are supposed to be. And let's see one more card from this, please. So far, your blessings have to do with your mental health issues and you being free from them. So this means that this is something that you really need. Again, I wanted one card, but 2 cards came out. Yes, you will make the choice to move on from this toxic mindset, because you will realize that you have all the control in your life. All the control. That you are the magician of your life. This realization is going to come to you. You will realize just how strong you are. Okay, if you think that you have been weak mentally, you are about to come into a time when you are going to be very strong. You will realize, and this hasn't been easy, because there has been a heartbreak here. This could have been very well because of a love situation, or life in general has left you heartbroken, betrayed, absolutely helpless. But you are coming out of that period. You are going to come out of it. and it's not far away either. Let's see our, okay, so a card fell down. I'm going to have to pick it up, I'm sorry. So we have 7 of Pentacles here. This has not come very easily. As I said, this could have been a long process. This could have gone on for years. I'm not gonna lie. This could have been going on for a really long time. Let's see. But this, whatever you went through, you have accumulated lessons and you will reap the benefits of that. And this can also mean that if there has been a business or a project that you have been working on for a long time, it's going to finally start showing results. For those of you who have been working on something for a long time, this is going to be a message for them. Otherwise, it's for your mental health only. Okay, so let's see. We have 8 of Wands, 5 of Wands, 7 of Swords, and Ace of Swords. So a lot of clarity is going to come towards you. Whatever conflict, whatever deceit, manipulation going on in your life is going to come to an end. It seems that there has been a conflict and some manipulation that somebody else might have been doing, and you are going to put a stop to it. And it's going to bring your life force back. It's going to make you want to move on from it very quickly, and you will get your motivation, your ability to want to do things back. If you are constantly demotivated, now that's going to change. But you will end this first, whatever it is, whatever situation this is that's been draining you, that has been giving you mental health issues. You are going to end that situation or your connection with that person, and you are going to start again. You're going to have a new beginning. That's going to be a beginning with a lot more clarity as to what you want. Let's get a final message on the blessings that are coming towards you. Blessings coming towards pile 3, please. Blessings coming towards pile 3, please. Okay, well, oh my god, so many of these cards came out, but fine, I'll take them since they came out. Appreciation. So you will come into a time when people are going to appreciate you for your qualities, for whoever you are. If you have felt ignored and overlooked before, that's going to change. And we have Angel of Love here. So after you are done dealing with all this trauma, all this mental health issues, and you are out of that cycle, you are going to actually attract new love into your life. And this is going to be a healthy love, free from all the conflict and the manipulation that you have gone through. Envy, we have envy here. So it is a possibility, I am not going to lie, that when you get out of your bad and your sad period, there will be people who won't be happy about this, but you just have to ignore them. And also we have 5th chakra here, which tells me that you're going to become more vocal about your needs, about what you want. If so far you have been very quiet, and if you have not been able to say what you want to say, you have been scared because you might lose the person or just underconfidence, that's going to change as well, because you will now start speaking up for yourself and talking about what you want without any hesitation. Okay. And then finally you have the thinking man. Now this thinking man is somebody that, this actually tells me that this is someone that has caused you the trauma, whatever it is, that conflict, that heartbreak that you have gone through. This person is going to be thinking a lot about you. While you will be moving on, doing better and well with your life, this person is going to be thinking a lot about you, and I won't be surprised if this envy is going to be this person's energy. Okay? But you don't have to worry about that, because you would have cut this person off, whoever this is, love situation or a friend, whatever it is, because you are anyway attracting new love in your life. because you are going to get into a very healthy mindset. So that's your blessing that's coming towards you, pile 3. I hope you enjoyed your reading. I only take 2 cards from this deck, but like in your case 5 cards came out, which is like a whole lot of messages, because probably you really need to know this. I hope you find this useful, and take care of yourselves. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.